Hi all, Oisin here from Kelly's Toyota in Letterkenny. Today what I want to show you is this lovely 2015 Toyota Auris. LED daytime running lights, finished in a lovely red metallic. This is part of the Toyota Plus program. So it has the alloy wheels, this lovely hybrid badge as well. When we look inside, this car has the full black leather, multi-function steering wheel, sat nav, heated front seats, air conditioning, Bluetooth phone kit, fully loaded. This car has covered 76,500 miles, and because it is part of the Toyota Plus program, it'll get a 12-month warranty and 12-month roadside assistance. We have excellent rates of finance available with Toyota Finance. So if you would like to learn more about this car or would like a personalised video, give us a call today on 074 91 21385 and you could be driving away in this before the weekend. Thank you.